Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get free credits on Lovable. So first and foremost, you need to come over here to your Lovable and then choose Share Lovable. This is the first way you can get free credits. You can see over here, you can get over 100 credits once you share your Lovable link to your friends. Once you invite your friends to join Lovable, you get 100 credits. And then you can get an extra 10 credits automatically if that person signs up. So all you have to do is simple. Come and copy this link over here. Okay. And then share with your friends on TikTok, on WhatsApp, or even on Facebook so that they can join Lovable. All right. So let's look at the next way you can get free credits on Lovable. The next way you come to settings, you come to profile section here, then locate settings. Once you locate settings, you wait for your Lovable account to finish loading up the settings. All right, so you come over here to plan and credits. So in the plan and credits over here, you can see guys, each and every day you'll be getting 10 credits free and they don't even expire. And they reset themselves every midnight. This means each and every day you'll be getting 10 free credits on Lovable. Okay, so those are some of the ways you can get Lovable credits for free. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet.